Hello, and welcome to the video number 4. In this video we will be doing common web instructions in Selenium for a website. Remember that if you have missed one of our Selenium videos you can go to our automation testing playlist and watch it. Well, let's continue. We will continue with the test script we have created before. Remember that we have the sections for our script. Select the browser, open the website, do the actions, and close the browser. Let's go in the section where we will be adding the actions to the test script. But remember, in order to add the actions, we need to know the website and the steps, and the objects for each step we want our test script executes. We will be working on this website softwaretestingworld.com automation example.php. A web page for testing our test scripts. Thanks to the team of Software Testing World for this web page. We can use our test script creating a new user. Let's start. Identify the objects we want for our validations. We need to register a new user, email and password, select the profile from the combo box, click in a checkbox, and submit it. Once the new account is created, we need to do a validation that it was successful registered in the system. As we remember the structure, we need to set instructions in Selenium. Instance pointing to a web browser, the element identified by an attribute, and the action we want to the script perform to the element. Let's start identifying the objects. Remember, as we have seen in the previous video, we will press the F12 key from our keyboard and identify the attributes for every object. As you can see, we can see the attributes for the email, password and the submit button. Let's add them to the test script. In this case, our object is a text field. It has an attribute that is name, and have a value. We will set it in the instruction in our script. Now we have identified the object, we need to do an action on it. In this case we need to add text, so the action for it will be sendkeys, and the information we want, in this case the user email. Let's get the information for the rest of the objects. Remember, if it is a button, the action will change for a click. And the object can be identified with different attributes, as in this case the password with an ID. We send the information for the password field, in this case the password we want for the account. In this case we have a combo box, for identifying the object is a little bit different. First of all we need to create an instance of the class select that is referring to the use of combos in Selenium. We create the instance, and inside the instance how we identify the object in Selenium, same instruction we have used for other objects. The variable we created in this case combo we can use it for identifying the options of the combo box. We can identify the elements for index 0, 1, 2. The instruction will select the index set in the instruction. We can identify them by values. These values are found next the option in the web page. Another way to identify them is by the visible text that mean the exactly name that comes in the combo. Remember it need to come in the instruction exactly as it is written in order Selenium can identify it. You can use any of these ways to identify your combo box element. Just for this test example, I will leave 3 options, so the script need to select the one for index 0, the value I set, and the test manager. If the website you are testing is developed with Angular, it is very important to watch our video identifying Angular objects with Selenium. It is a little different the way to handle text fields and combo box. Now, I will add 1 second between each option in order we can see it during the execution. And let's find the checkbox object and do a click on it. Last, we need to add the submit button. I will add a sleep time of 5 seconds while the system register the new account. I will delete the click on the flag from our last video. I will change the browser I want for this test execution. I will select Chrome browser. So I will activate the options for Chrome. Let's run the test. Oh, I almost forget it. We need to update the URL of the website we have for testing. We need to add the web page for testing, given for the team of Software Testing World. Let's run the test. The test stoked to an error. As you can see, it wrote email and password and didn't select the combo, so maybe we have the error here. As I commented, the error is here. I set deselect instead of select. I will update it and run the test again. Another error is presented. Let's see what is about. It is an element that is not found. As we can see in the test, it did not click the submit button, so the error is here. As you can see, the issue is because I set incorrectly the attribute. We need to set the attribute given in the website. We can have different issues identifying the objects. 1. Element is not present yet. 2. Element is on a frame. 3. Bad attribute. 4. Attribute value is written incorrectly, and 5. Angular element. Let's run it again. As you can see, the new account was created successfully. Now I will add another instruction in order we can maximize the screen while Selenium opens the browser. As you can see, the browser opens and it is maximized, and we can see the test execution. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will see more instructions for Selenium, as assertions, and the use of Selenium grid. Thanks.